Tory on the beat.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Thelonermikey back at it with another video. Just got two quick review for you guys. I got the Nike Spartan Green Dunks, and we have the Michigan colorway Dunks here. So we have the Michigan State Spartan Green Dunks here. Man, these are going to be a nice pickup for the summer, especially the way Dunk colorways looking. See those hands? We got the Michigan colorways. So, you know, two rival schools here. We got the left foot and the right foot. But, man, let me give you guys some detailed shots, some close-up shots, and my honest opinion about these Dunks coming out. I'm going to call these the Michigan and the Michigan State Dunks. Both of these Dunks look great. I actually like the Michigan State Dunks a lot better. First thing I would do is change the laces. This is just my honest opinion here. The shoes look overall great. The Michigan Dunks look great. They're just very similar to the off-white Dunks. I actually had the off-white Dunks earlier this year. These released today, June 3rd. Retail is $100. Can't go wrong with them at all. Cannot go wrong with them. Man, once again, I would like to thank you guys for checking out this video. I can't thank you guys enough. If you're new, subscribe. If you like this video, leave a like down below. But you guys already know, Loners up.